Hi friends, today I will explain how to choose the stock for options or features. So this is when directly I'm telling you this is NSE website. If you want to choose any stock, just type here search bar. Everybody knows, right? So I want to have some information about SCL Technologies. Like I'm expecting good result, so I want to take the call, right? So stock is moving upside. That is my view as on today. So just I will take the SCL Technologies. This is the stock details. SCL Technologies trading at 1031 rupees. This upper brand is 1161.50 paisa. Lower brand is 950. So this much range stock can move. Means 1031 to is it can go to 1161. 60 plus 13 almost 130 points can move upside and downside all the same way. So this is the stock. I choose SCL Technologies. Then I open the option data here. You can see derivative quota and options chain. Just pick the option chain. It will open like this. This is SCL Technologies 1031 strike price. Price is trading price. In this data you can find here OI means open interest. The next one is LTP, that is the last trading price, and the third one is a strike price. And same way this side, the right side also you can find LTP and last OI data. This is open interest. So either this side also OI is there, LTP is there, and here also OI is there, LTP is there, but why it is 2? See, you can see the here calls, you can find, right? This is calls data. See, this is the calls data. Strike price is the same. You can find the strike price here, right? This is the strike price. You can identify here. This is a call strike price. This is a put strike price. You can see puts. Put means stock is going down, and call means stock is going upside. So first my selection was I selected stock based on news or whatever may be my information. The second one is this stock is moving upside or downside. How I can decide? So more orders, 10 members are placing. Let's go to one example. I have 10, we are the 10 members. 9 members are expecting stock is moving upside. One guy is expecting stock is going downside. The 11th person, how he knows these 10 people minds? So simple, that is the simple. You can identify here through option data. So I'm expecting calls. Call means stock is moving upside. I'm checking the OI data. First of all, simple logic. Bottom you can see here. Total buyers. Total buy is the 10 crore 10 lakhs. 10.648 crores people are buy side, and the same way sell side you can find here only 4.3 lakhs. 4.3 lakhs are sell side. So which means people are expecting, like me, expecting more people are expecting stock is moving upside. The second checklist is finished. Third one, which strike price? Stock is trading here 1031. How to select the strike price? 1050 or 1070 or 1100 or 1200? How to select strike price? Because stock is moving 30 points, so then I can go to 1030 plus 30 points means 1060 I can select. How I know exactly the stock is going to 30 points or 40 points or 50 points, either 5 points? How can I choose the strike price? So you can find here strike price. These are all the strike price, right? You can find the strike price. By the way, here you can see yellow color and white color. Why it is showing two colors? This is all yellow color means, you see, strike price 1030 is the latest trading price. From 1030 to 1040 color difference are there. The left side 1030 below all yellow color, that is call side. So you can identify calls, right? 1030 below is the call side. It is showing yellow color. Why? It is in the money. We call this all yellow color is in the money. 1030 1040 is at the money, so stock is trading at the money, that price. And this white color, if it is a 1030 above, 1040, 50, 60, 90, 1100, these all out of the money. So here is a three terminologies. At the money is the yellow color. Stock trading price, at present trading price is the at the money. Stock beyond, if it is going beyond trading price, like going upside 10 points or 30 points, that is out of the money. In the money, at the money, out of the money. Most of the people playing out of the money only, means expecting stock is moving outside, is moving raising, means out of the, most of the people playing out of the money, right? At the money is the intraday people are playing at the money, and in the money these the long people, we can hear some long unwinding, long positioning, long build up, this terminology you can hear. That all yellow color, these people are building from long, means they might be took in 3 months back, they might be took in last month, they might be took in first week or first April. These all the people are holding sometimes like 1 week or 1 month. So that is the one. So I think you understand. In the money, at the money, out of the money. So our point is, our stock is moving upside. OE data also showing strong showing in upside. So I want to select my strike price. I have the capital only 30,000, either 10,000 or 20,000, whatever may be. I'm choosing for HCL Technology. I have the 30,000 capital. How can I choose my strike price? First of all, check the OI data, open interest. Which strike price people are more expecting to go upside? Here you can find here 21 lakhs people are expecting this strike price. It is stock is moving up to this strike price. Means you can find this one is 1100 from 10,000 1030 to 1100. By end of this month it will move. People are expecting like this, people are placed the orders, this many orders at the 1100 strike price. So 1100 strike price, what is the LTP? You can starting I told you LTP, right? The last traded price. So 1100 strike price, what is my LTP? The 1730. 1730. Okay. So the second one highest open interest is here is there 11 lakhs. Here is a 21 lakhs at the 1100 strike price, and 11 lakhs is a 1060 strike price, right? This is the open interest. So I can take this 1060 also, but is premium is 28 rupees. And if I go little bit for out of the money 1100, I can get the 17 rupees only. So my capital was 30,000. Which one I can choose? Very near. I have 28 rupees into 700 is 19,000. I can get it. So definitely I will go this one. If I want to take the nearby, this is the best one. And people are more active on 1100. Then I will go to 1060 is my strike price. The first I choose the stock, I check the open interest data, how put side or call side, and again I'm third one is I'm selecting the strike price. So my strike price is 1100. I'm selecting 1100, and because more open interest has to build here, so I choosing 1100 my strike price, and LTP also 17.30 paisa. So now I go to my abstract, open the abstract, whatever already might be you are already open. See my call, I am interested in HCL Technology 1100 strike is 17.3 rupees. Just go here, and before placing, just a chart open, right? Just pick the 5 days chart. Only pick the 5 days chart. You can identify clearly, see last 5 days stock, how it is moving, how it is reacting. From 17 might be you can see 17 to 30 rupees. In between is trading. It is gone a little bit up and down, little bit up and down. So immediately I can take it. If it is beyond also, if it is coming 10, definitely I will sell it. If it is going above 35, I will sell it. So this is my mind. I'm expecting before taking the entry, stop loss and target should be no. Otherwise, call writers, call entry people or option buyers, you lose the money. You should make the targets and stop loss very strict, otherwise you are losing the money. Okay, done. Now I'm going to 700 and limit. I'm expecting coming to 17 rupees, little bit. I'm 30 paisa. If you want to take delivery, take the 1 or 2 days, hold it, or based on your inputs, like people are telling hold, or like other what you call news, take intraday or whatever maybe. I'm taking delivery only. Might be in case any chances, then I will go to for next day also. If it is going wrong means I will hold for next day. Class next day I will check it and remove that one. So review and place the order. That's it. Okay. This is a calls. In case stock is going down, I have the news, bad news. Today sale is going down because of OFS. Sale is going down. Then I will check the put side. See here puts, same open interest data where it is built more 408 and 457 4.7. Here it's a build more data 1000 level. People are expecting from 1032 stock falling to 1000 level in some time, or might be something. People are expecting only 1000. That the 1000 strike price also 24 rupees. Then immediately I will go to here, check 1000 P, select the P. So call for CE selected, and you can I will show you here 1000 SL Technologies at the 1000 rupees. Type just 1000. You can find both CE and PE. I want to select PE. Okay, I selected PE. Just take the PE and the same order process. Just watch the 5 days how it's reacted, then place the order. Right, is that 20 is the best entry, I hope, and place the order. Kalas. The simple one, just NSE, it depends on only NSE website is updating. 3 minutes delay might be, that's it, not the more than that. Take the open interest data and decide yourself, and take the advices also. It's not at wrong, but this is your personal growth, and this is your building your knowledge, and your mind will make up strongly. If you are building your mind strong, then you can hold 1 or 2 days. Either if it is going losses also, you can feel strongly. I check the data, but it's why it's wrong. Again you can come back after 1 day or 1 week, or even the same day itself. After 1 hour also you can come and check the data how it is moving. In even exchanges also you can find. Here itself you can find it overview. See here also you can find it. More people 54.60 is buyers and 73 is the sellers. Right, here also market depth also you can see. Here also you can see the depth, but here option data, in option data it will give you good example which strike price people are more expecting. Means stock it is moving down or is going up. So how much price is moving up, how much price is going down. People are expecting in 1100 by end of this month. More put side people are expecting 4 lakhs only. That much people only expecting down. But here more people 21 lakhs people are expecting going to 1100. So this is a selection. Okay, if any doubts, any queries, please let me know. Just comment on it, I will explain more. If you need personal explanation, that is also best, I will give you again. Just drop me a message or give me a call. Thank you so much guys.